are in NSS IIT Kharagpur camp. So we are with NSS unit number 3, and they are here for annual camp, 7-day long camp. Today is the 5th day, right?
The sixth day.
6th day of the camp, and I'm requesting the unit leader to say a few words, introduce himself first in the unit, and then say a few words about the camp experience.
Good morning. I am Pranay Vishwas from Department of Chemistry. 5 years course, and my course is Integrated Masters. So this is Unit 3. My whole unit is standing here, and we have been assigned the plot in Sevadal, which falls under Khela Gram Panchayat, and we are allotted the work of laying a stretch of Moram over the unorganized road to make it a new road. And also we have taken 6 initiatives other than this. Every day means in the 6 days we have taken, like the first day we are going through an extensive survey where we found an well which was totally filled with microbes and it can't be used by the villagers. So we decided first of all that on the second day we will go there and clean the well, and we cleaned it. And on the second day, what we did, we saw that the village school on the near to Khela Gram Panchayat did not have a proper dustbin. So we decided to have a dustbin built over there, and we did it. Along with it, it was on the school building premises, so we decided to clean the school building also. So it was the 3 initiatives were already taken, and the rest initiatives were first of on the 4th day we took an initiative of cleaning the pond in the Khela Gram in this village, as it was fully choked with those water weeds and people cannot use it. So we cleaned it, and the rest of the weeds were on the field. So on the following day we decided that why should it be kept there? Let's have utilize it. So we decided to dig a 4 by 4 into 3 feet deep ditch was created by us on the field of the villager Shamol sheet, and he gave us the permission, so we did it. And we did it. After doing it, we put all the weeds over there and let it become a compost so that the villagers might use it. And other initiatives which we are also taking in, like we clean the school, and now and the medical camp. Yes, the medical camp. For the medical camp, we have sent our volunteers. For clothes sorting was also there, so we sent volunteers there also. And finally, there was an clothes distribution camp at Nachna, which falls under Unit 15. But our Professor Devasisha asked for more volunteers, so we sent 3 volunteers from our unit.
Very nice. So how was the road laying work? Anybody volunteers? How was the experience about how strenuous it was? How challenging? You are not used to this kind of using equipments and all. You are all 2016 batch IIT JEE students.
Yes.
So you are here only for 4 years or 4 months or so. I mean, July 2016 you joined, and this is December.
Yes.
So how do you find this experience?
Actually, there are many shortage of tools, so we have to ask for many extra tools also. Like we got 3 kudal from the villagers, got 4.
So villagers came forward actually to
because
supplement the
pond which was clean. We cannot go in the water, so one villager took the initiative.
What is your native place? I mean,
my native place is in Dankuni, Hooghly.
Dankuni.
Hooghly district.
Any other person from say outside West Bengal coming all over here and not knowing the local language Bengali, so how had been the experience?
Okay, I think that
You introduce yourself, your name.
I am Abhinav Sirohi, and I am the deputy leader of Unit 3.
You are from which place?
Agriculture department. I am from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh.
Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Okay,
So,
how had been the experience here?
Okay, I think this terrain was very foreign for me, because we people don't have even weather. Weather is very different, and considering when it comes to road construction, I think all that was a little bit tiring, but I think it was very fun and interesting. It gives a sense of satisfaction that in a way we are helping something. However small it might be, it might not make much difference, but still we are doing something. And when it comes to my unit members, I think they were very contributing. That's enough.
Okay. Would you like to say a few words? I mean, how had been the experience? Yes.
Yeah, actually, these things are really uncommon to me. And first of all,
You can introduce yourself. I mean, you are who you are.
myself Aliva Bak. I'm from Balangir, Odisha.
Okay. Which discipline?
Pursuing civil engineering.
Civil
for
engineering
year
department.
degrees.
Yes.
Okay. So this thing is really uncommon to me, and we are having three girls here in our unit, and
So
we
here is
usually-
one.
we usually do the things that already assigned to us, and we really want to do which is which is easier than others used to do. And
So you divided your work depending on your capabilities, competencies. Okay, in a team that is how it works. So nobody is doing anything less or so. It's proportionate to your ability to contribute or your strength to contribute. So my one more questions before I go to the other unit. Your relationship with the society, your understanding of the society. That you worked in a team, you learned a lot of things together. It was a fun. That is one aspect of it. But staying for 7 days with in a village with villagers, spending some good time with them, doing some work for them. Your understanding of the society, has this camp contributed to anything? I mean, are your understanding of the society better?
They might be poor, but when it comes for their heartedness, they have always helped us, because at least one times a day we either broke one spade or one coral, and we rushed it to them. They made
Fixed it,
every day. And they don't means even if they are working hard, still they say okay, I am doing it 1 minute, and they fix it every day. So means seeing that the hard work of the team, they think that yes, they should be rewarded. So that's why they also help us.
So your direct interaction with the villagers or society, I mean, so-called underprivileged, or there is a division between Bharat and India. I mean, we all belong to India perhaps, and they belong to Bharat. So has it changed? Because we normally know about them through reading articles in the newspaper. So basically, it is a second-hand stuff or third-hand stuff. I mean, somebody has visited, somebody had spent time, and we read through them. So you spent some time here. You had an intersection with them. So what do you think of this experience going forward, and how it can contribute to your understanding of life and interaction with your society? Because whatever you do in future, whether you become a engineer in the true sense or become a manager and all, whatever you do, finally it will contribute to some segment of the society, isn't it? So how? I mean, anybody wants to say a few words? Yes, you would like to say a few things.
I would like to say that even if they are from small societies, but still they are very contributing in a way. They don't fear to help us in any manner. They just give their time to us. They give their knowledge. They share their knowledge with the Bengali people because they understand them better. The language, the communication gap is not so much because we have many Bengali people in our group. So they take their knowledge and just communicate with us. So we understand that and we apply it on our work. So it is a very good experience to work with them, and they also feel comfortable to work with us.
Okay. So we are in NSS IIT Kharagpur annual camp. I am requesting the unit leader to say a few words about his team's camp experience.
It has been very interesting.
You introduce yourself. Who are your name? And
Okay, so my name is Vinit Kumar Singh. I'm leader of Unit 12 of NSS camp. This is my team. Half of them are here almost. So we have
you
been
are
working
first
here.
year students?
Yeah, we are first year students of IIT Kharagpur, obviously.
Undergraduate. So 2016 you joined.
Yeah,
Okay.
this year we joined,
Right.
and
Which discipline?
I'm from physics discipline, but we are all mixed.
From different
We
disciplines.
are from different disciplines.
Okay. Please carry on.
It's about 20 kilometers away from our camp, and we
This
have been
village?
working here in this village.
Name of this village?
Shikharpari.
Shikharpadi.
So,
Okay.
and this is our 5th day of 6th day of working here, and we have almost completed the road and connected the roads from the village, almost 90%. But still some stony areas of the roads are left, and we are gonna do that today. The most challenging thing was to carry the mud from here to far part of this village. So because we didn't have a trolley, so what we did is we requested it to the neighbors that No, that happened on the fourth day, but actually we made a relay.
Oh,
human
you
chain,
mentioned.
and that's how we carried it.
We pass the bucket from person to person so that the workload of each person should be reduced.
Okay.
And
And so, how much stretch in terms of some meters, say, or whatever, 100 meter, 200, huh?
Around 750 meters.
Around 750 meters road with 4 inch of thickness.
4 inch of thickness.
Everywhere.
And we used there are 2 drop of water. We sprinkled the water so that the mud got some.
Mudam gets settled. Okay. So, where did you get the water?
There's a small kind of pond.
But then you need some, lifting.
We asked the villagers.
So, villagers provided you. You helped them.
2-3 buckets by the villagers.
They were
Okay.
to bring the water from the pond situated at the back.
But you had a language problem. I mean, these mostly.
We have been colleagues.
In our group, so they had
Our group leader is also.
I'm also Bengali, so
Okay.
we asked for that.
So, there is no communication problem.
No,
And they are very friendly. I mean, the village people.
it's extremely friendly. And we even asked before getting the trolley, we even asked for a rickshaw or something to carry the mud. So they gladly helped us, and that's how we carried the mud.
Can you little bit come forward? So how could you contribute? I mean, you also participated, or you had some difficulty in doing things? Huh?
I brought water.
You brought water. Okay. So I think you had a good rapport, and you divided your work. So somebody was carrying water, somebody were using these tools and all.
It was actually fun.
So what is the unit number once more, please? Your regular activities in which village? I mean, Rangametia. And you work under Professor? I mean, BM Maharaj. Okay, thank you.
এখন ভালো আছে ছেলেগুলো ভালো করে কাজ করছে আপনাদের পছন্দ আছে ছেলেগুলোর কাজটা হ্যাঁ আপনাদের গ্রামের লোকের উপকার হবে এই পাশে দেখুন
আচ্ছা, আপনি এই গ্রামেই থাকেন?
নামটা
আচ্ছা,
বলুন
আপনার নাম বলুন? হরি সিং। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, কি গ্রামের নাম এটা? শিখরবাড়ি। তো ছেলেগুলো রাস্তা বানালো, মাঝে একটা কোথায় নর্দমার মতো হয়ে গেছিল, সেখানটা একটু ভরাট টরাট করেছে। ওখানে একটা কালভার্ট করেছে। আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, এমনি ঠিকঠাক কাজ করেছে। আপনার নাম? সুনীল সিং। আপনি এই গ্রামেরই? তো ছেলেরা কেমন কাজ করলো? উৎসাহ নিয়ে কাজ করেছে? হ্যাঁ, ভালো করেছে। ঠিক
ভালো
আছে,
লাগছে
ভালো লাগছে। এটা কোথাকার থেকে এসছে জানেন তো? কোথা থেকে এসছে? আইআইটি থেকে এসছে। প্রায় শীতের সময় এসে একটু গ্রামের কাজকর্মগুলো করে। ঠিক আছে, ধন্যবাদ।